Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. If you haven't done so already, remove any external devices connected to your laptop. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any accidental damage during the process. Next, flip your HP 14DW laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily misplaced. It's helpful to use a small container to hold them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the bottom cover from the laptop. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can damage the clips holding the panel in place. After successfully removing the back cover, you will see the battery located in the bottom section. To disconnect it, locate the battery connector and carefully pull it out of its socket. If you encounter resistance, double-check that you are not pulling on any wires. Now, you can see the screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the battery down. Keep these screws with the others you removed earlier. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If the battery feels stuck, you can use the plastic pry tool to assist in removing it. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help keep your laptop running efficiently. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery connector firmly to ensure a proper connection. At this point, you can replace the back cover of your laptop. Align it properly and press down around the edges until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert and tighten the screws to secure the cover. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about performing this replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about any calls or travel. Finally, after ensuring everything is reassembled correctly, power on your laptop. Check that the new battery is recognized and charging properly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Before you proceed with any further repairs, always request a quote before repair to avoid unexpected costs. This ensures that you fully understand what to expect during the service process. That's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your HP 14DW laptop. Following these steps should make the process straightforward and manageable, ensuring that your device is back to optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.